Okay, welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can root your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra phone. Okay, that is a unique and smartphone. I would like to show and like this way. Let's remove this one or also this one and this one we don't need at all. So first of all, I would like to let you on the website which I am supporting that PC files zone. So let's here. Okay, we will visit this website and we will follow up the article and like what I saying about this offers. Okay, so okay, and then okay, okay. Let's see. Would like to check this and that here. I didn't see it's really on it, and I have no idea. Okay, what is saying? Okay, it's really cool. You can place your article as well on the guest as a guest post here. So this is a website, and I'm going to tell how you can route, like follow the guidelines. Okay, then if you are familiar with the programming, like Python programming or any programming, so you can do yourself as well without any hesitations. So this is a guide how can I root Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Complete guide here I share with for you. Then you can read unlock bootloader plus Magisk via Odin. Odin is a software which is work for you to root your Samsung devices only. And Odin is just supporting to the Samsung. Works well on One UI 7. That is the Android version. And quick answer you get root the device, root the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra by unlocking the bootloader. Okay, the root Samsung Galaxy runs on the Android version 15 and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip. So read every step before you start. Knock Android some version and Snapdragon and Odin slash tool Magisk rule root. This is a software as well, or you can call it a tool also. What are the benefits and risks if you are planning to root your device? First, you should have idea and what the reason you are going to do. So whenever you get to remove all bootware files, flash custom ROM and block aid which comes around systems and full titanium backup kernel critics for performance root only power apps. So and what are the risks? So risk warranty void, your device will be not valid at all. A device data wipe unlock banking app detect root file is equals to wrong file is equals to bricks. And you can what are the things you should have before starting the root Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra Windows PC with supporting Windows 10 and or you should have Windows 11 laptop or computer you can call or Odin software which is best for the Odin slash tool USB driver and Magisk APK you can get from the GitHub. I mentioned the link also stock firmware and original USB cable which come original cable you will get receive from the smartphone box only or if you are planning to get the original cable so you should follow up the high quality cable like a high quality company I am not gonna mention here. And first of all I should disclose one thing that currently I have no Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, so that's it why you should know all the steps yourself, you should do yourself, that's all. Currently I am just guiding you how you can do and phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 and I mention all the steps one by one. So you can read guide also how you can download the scatter file. Here you can see okay scatter file is the best and it should match to your version of the smartphone. So yes, that's all I think so for now, and I hope you understand the guide very well. So try on your own risk. That's all for now. We'll meet on another video.